right, boys and girls, this is your overview video of the week for writing for the week of January 6th through the 8th. That's that Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you can see right here our essential question. This week we're going to work on reading and planning for an informational essay. So when we go into this folder, you can see it's labeled Wednesday through Friday. I'm trying to still figure out how to make this the easiest for you guys to be able to navigate and follow along. So directions, if you look here, we are going to still continue having our live meeting at 9 o'clock each morning. However, it looks a little bit different here. Wednesday, it's giving you the directions all for Wednesday right here. So there is a teacher video you're going to watch. That's me. I'm right here in this video, and I'm going to read through source 1. So we are going to work on a new text set, and it is located, scrolling down right here. It's about summer camp. So maybe some of you have been to a summer camp before. So you'll want to print this document. After you do that, then you'll want to follow along in this video where I go through read source 1 and I annotate the text with you. So you can go through and do this along with me. After you watch this video and while you're coding source 1, then on your own, you're going to go and do the same for source 2. On Thursday, during our live meeting, we're going to talk briefly about source 2. But in this video, after our live meeting, you're going to go through after we've looked at some student examples of work, and then you are going to go through, read and annotate source, or not read and annotate, you've already done that. You're going to watch me go through and talk about some of the main points that were mentioned in this article. After watching this video, then on your own, you're going to go and code and annotate source 3. You are also going to complete your plan. So either your matrix or your outline, whichever one you think works best for you as a writer. On Friday, you are going to watch this video where I go through and review source 3 that you coded yesterday on your own. And we're going to talk about some of the main ideas. I'm also going to share with you the matrix that I've created and my outline. So I did both versions, so no matter which one you chose to do, you can go through and kind of preview mine. You're going to take a look at my matrix, take a look at my outline, and if you need to make any adjustments on your outline before we get started next week writing, then you can do so. However, after that, you are going to go ahead and begin writing your introduction. Look at this note right here. Remember, guys, you should be spending about 10 minutes on your introduction, no more than that. Your introduction consists of 3 to 4 sentences. Your hook, stating your task and big ideas. We learned that sometimes needs to be broken into more than one sentence. So that's where we get that 3 to 4 sentences. And then your strong closing statement. So that wraps up that week in reading, or wow, writing. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.